Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress package. So keep watching the video to find out what crazy thing I've ordered this time. Without further ado, let's just get cutting. And if you think you can guess whatever is inside this package, drop a comment below with your guess. And of course I have my trusty knife from AliExpress as well right here that I'm gonna use to cut this package open. So let's just get on with it. Don't you love that? It says made in China in big capital letters. No joke, man. And this thing is actually quite heavy. And I know what's inside, but I hope you made a lot of guesses. And but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hard for you to guess what's inside. If you think I'm lying, drop your guess and see if you've guessed correctly. Anyway, let's just open it. Actually, that's the wrong way. So now it says LED flashlight, multifunction bright flashlight. I've seen some of these in videos, so I thought I'm gonna order one because this can be handy in a tropical forest, you know, with no light, nothing. This can be really handy. User manual. The user manual is in Danish. Wow, I'm actually like I'm pretty surprised. Really surprised, and I'm at the same time, I mean, I saw Danish here and it just made me smile, because that's like, what are the odds that this thing is gonna come in Danish as well. But anyway, so you have Danish, some other languages I don't know, Portuguese, German, Italian, English. Sorry, French people, no French. You don't buy enough things from China, that's why there's no French. I'm just joking. But anyway, yeah. So if you live in Denmark like I do, the thing comes in Danish as well. Even though most people in Denmark speak English, so if the user manual is in English, there's no problem as well. But anyway, let's just put this one on the side and let's get on with so you have a strap for the torch. You have a USB-C port for charging the torch, and you have the torch itself. Okay, so I've held a lot of torches in my life, but this one is heavy. It's no joke. Okay, there's some kind of grease here. What is this? Anyway, let's get on with it. So it's heavy. The torch is made out of metal. It's no plastic. Everything is made out of metal. It's probably to dissipate the heat, because this thing is supposed to be really bright, and if you have something really bright, it's gonna generate a lot of heat, right? So it's smarter to enclose it in a metal enclosure and not a plastic one, because the plastic is gonna melt. Anyway, so full metal body, right here you have a USB-C and a USB-A. So I'm gonna guess that the USB-C is for charging the torch, and the USB-A is for using the torch as a power bank. They like doing these things in China when they make stuff. You can use it normally, or you can use it as a power bank. Why not? If the thing has a big battery, why not use it as a power bank? And then here I have no freaking idea what this is, but this one here, hope it's visible. So this here is the power button. This here, have no idea what it is, and that's it. Nothing else. You cannot change the battery, or probably, I don't know if, like, let's say you've been using this thing and the battery has dropped, the battery has gotten worse, so, and you want to change the rechargeable battery. How do you do that? I don't know, because it doesn't show that there's a way to get in here. Everything is sealed. Like when I say sealed, it's properly sealed. There's no way you can open this. And I think this was glue, so this thing is probably glued right here, because this thing was the torch was sticky around here, so it's probably glued around here. So maybe if you twist it hard enough, or you're strong enough to twist it, you can open it here. Next part is this part. This part goes up and down. I don't know what this does. Okay. Alright, so instead of pulling and pushing, if you turn it, it goes up. If you turn it, it goes down. Turn it, this is clockwise. Turn it clockwise, it goes up. Anti-clockwise, goes down. On the lens, let me wipe it off. Let me wipe it off. Okay, now I've wiped the lens off. Should we power this thing? Let's try. Jeez. Okay. I think tonight I'm gonna I have neighbors around, so it's probably not a good idea. But I'm gonna stand on the balcony and then turn this thing on, just to see how bright it can be, because it seems like it can be bright. Or maybe just in my room, but okay. I'm gonna point it towards the table so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see, right, and then gets a little bit brighter and gets even brighter. Now you have some flickering on the camera, but it doesn't flicker in real life. Like this one here, there's no flickering, right? But the second mode, when it gets a little bit brighter, start flickering and on the lens, camera lens, and even brighter, start flickering on the camera lens. But I don't know why it does that, but it does that. And then we have the other button. What happens if you press it? Oh. Okay, so this button here, I'm guessing when you press it, it goes directly to, no, okay, so this button here, when you press it, I'm guessing you get a lower settings, but with this one you can change settings. You can get it, you can make it go brighter and brighter. So what happened when okay, this one, then it's warm, dude. I'm telling you, It's uh, it's warm. I can feel the heat. Now it's the normal touch, but when you, yeah, you know this you can focus the sunlight with a curved glass, and then the place where you focus it, the heat gets really, really strong. That's how this thing works. Because let me turn it off. Because this thing is not straight, it's like a parabol. It's curved. The glass is curved, so the light gets more focus toward the tip. So that's why it gets hot. Anybody knows what I was talking about? When you get a curved glass and you get it to focus somewhere, and then you can generate a lot of heat. I don't remember what it's called, but if anyone knows what it's called, drop a comment below. So that's what this does. When you do like this, you get the light more focus, right? And when I placed my hand, I could feel the thing hitting, my hand hitting. So it's probably a good idea to keep it at that strength, because it could be dangerous. But anyway, this thing, I'm liking this. I'm gonna order some more, like 2 or 3 more. It wasn't cheap though. It's by no means cheap, but seems like a good thing, especially if you are gonna be working in a tropical jungle. You're gonna need one of these, so you can see where you're going and you can see everything properly. Yeah. This thing is cool. If you want to see a video of me using this thing in a tropical jungle, subscribe to the channel. It's gonna happen. It's not gonna happen right away, but it's gonna happen. All right, and I think because this thing is not light, it's heavy, so you get these two. You can clip it one here, like you put one here and you put the other one here. Then you can hang it around your neck. Yeah, and this one is for charging. Right. Well, that was that unboxing. A pretty cool touch, if you ask me. I've seen some other touch a little bit more expensive than this one. Right now, I feel like I should buy the one that's a little bit more expensive to see how powerful that one is, because this one is quite powerful. I'm tempted. I'm really tempted to buy the bigger one, which is more powerful. Let's see. We never know. Let's see. Just keep watching. Maybe in one of the videos I'm gonna unbox a bigger touch and I'm gonna do a comparison or something. All right. If you made it so far, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you liked the video, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button, and remember to ring the notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. And I'm gonna implore you to drop a comment below, and if you feel like I don't know what to write, just drop a smiley. That's fine too. So YouTube can recommend my video to more people. Until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.